What up, Tube? Good morning and welcome back to another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. Today is Saturday, guys. Saturday morning. Right now it is about 7:15 a.m. First appointment's at 7:30. So I stopped to get myself a cup of coffee and a donut, and I'm headed to the shop. If you guys ain't up by this morning, if you guys ain't up already, guys, I don't know. Saturday morning, guys, it's grind time. Today is grind day. So yesterday my daughters had a little hiccup in clinching the spot for the World Series. So we have a game 7 today against the Brewers. Should be very interesting. Whoa, that sounds crazy. So yesterday was another good day at the shop. It was very, very busy, very busy. Well, we had 6 barbers working, so I almost have a full crew. I mean, like, no, there was 5 barbers working. I'm sorry. And today there's going to be 6 barbers working. So I should have almost a full crew today. Only one person missing, and that's J-Lo's chair. As you guys know, J-Lo is my daughter. So J-Lo and Raul is my apprentice is coming in. That's J-Lo's other half. So that's my future son-in-law. They're not married yet, so they're gonna get married. So he's the one I'm training right now to bring him in. My daughter's already a barber. She's already been licensed 5 or 6 years. So we're getting Raul's apprentice license. We're already in the process. We're just waiting for it to come in. As soon as it comes in, we're gonna put him to work. And in the meantime, he's just doing a lot of free haircuts. He's getting a lot of cuts under his belt, and just properly training him, guys. For sure, I'm gonna turn him into a barber beast. I can already see it. All you gotta have is the will and the desire and some ganas, you know, to do this. And if you could do it, if you have that, we could, you know, I could turn him into that. You know what I mean? So. But he has the desire, so it's good. And he's already cutting hair, and he's already doing a pretty good job. I'm not lying. He does really, really good work already. So I'm not worried about that. But okay, so today's gonna be very, very busy at the shop. You know, I started my new program, doing appointments. Still trying to find a better program to do the programming as far as booking. So right now, I think I'm gonna go with Acuity. I don't know if you guys ever heard of Acuity scheduling. So let me know what you guys are using. What service are you guys? I know is it Booksy, is it StyleC? Let me know what you guys think, and let me know what you guys how you guys feel about your guys' program. One of the things I'm looking for in my program is I'm looking for me being able to personalize each barber, like certain times, how much they take for each haircut. And like for myself, I can really personalize it for myself, because I find myself being pretty fast, and even after giving 45 minutes on a haircut, I find myself finishing with a lot of time at the end. So I gotta either slow it down or give myself less time and figure something out. It's all a process for me. So but I'm gonna get it. So I'm almost at the shop right now. Get started on this day, guys. You guys grind on, have a blessed day, and let's make some money. So right now, it is still pretty early. It's only 11 a.m. I'm gonna go get some lunch right now. I'm stepping out for a minute. I got some appointments coming up after this, so I'm just trying to stay busy and not hanging around the shop too much right now, because there's some walk-ins in there, but I want the guys, you know. That's one thing about me, guys. When I'm at the shop and I got a lot of barbers, like today we have 6 barbers working, so we have a full staff. There's only one chair missing. So you know, if when walk-ins come in, I always try to give them to my barbers. You know, I'll let them do the work before I do the work, unless they request me. If they request me, you know, a lot of times they come in and they see me sitting there and they'll ask for me. You know what I mean? And that's because I put myself out there. You know, and not only am I the owner of the shop, I make videos, I'm always posting haircuts, I'm always staying active on social media. And that's the key, guys, is staying active on social media. If you stay active on social media, then you know what, you'll gain a following and people will start to see you. You know, my hyperlapse videos that I put up all the time on my Instagram, those help out, because those are showing me actually doing the work. And you know, a lot of times when they see you, the action of you doing the work, they could tell that you know what you're doing, you know. So you know, that's something that you guys have to work on. You have to work on building your reputation, building yourself on your social media platform. Instagram is your portfolio. If you guys don't know that, you know, Instagram is your portfolio. That's where you're gonna show your work at. You know, when you do a good haircut, take a picture of it. Take a good picture of it. You know, if you don't own a camera, you should get a camera. You know, if not, if you have an iPhone or a newer phone, then those will do for now. But eventually, you need to get yourself a good camera that takes, you know, a DSLR that you could take pictures, download them to your phone, and then post them. That's the key. That's your portfolio. That's how people are gonna find out how good you are. So just keep that in mind, guys. You know, if you're not working on your portfolio, then, you know, how are people gonna know what you can do? You know, and your portfolio is everything. That's why on mine, you know, I post a very minimal personal stuff, but I post a lot of haircuts, things that are going on at the shop. I try to keep it as much business, but at the same time, I always throw in a little bit of personal stuff when I go somewhere, or you know, pictures of me and my girl, because, you know, I wanted people to know that too. I'm a human being, just like everybody else is. And once they see that you're a human being, and, you know, you have a family and you have things to do also, then, you know, your customers will appreciate you and understand you a little bit more. But so I'm going to take care of these little errands I got to run right now, head back to the shop, finish up strong. I already videotaped one haircut. So it was a good haircut, it was an undercut, so I'll post that one up with this video. You guys have a blessed day and grind on, guys. It's only 11 a.m. right now. We still have 5-6 more hours to go. We've been staying busy at the shop, so everybody have a blessed day. Let's get this grind on.
Every day is a win. Since I was told that you don't want me, baby, you're just cold and you know I try to hold on to it. I still you.
Sorry about that, guys. That's it for today, guys. Another end to another day. Another crazy day here at the barbershop. What can I say? It was real busy. Got 6 barbers working. We were all pretty much at one point or another working. And, you know, I mean, the guys sat around a little bit. I was extremely busy again. So, had my first no-show today. You know, they booked an appointment. They didn't show up. Didn't call or nothing. So, oh well. I guess it is what it is. But overall, another good weekend. Tomorrow's Sunday. Tomorrow I have 4 barbers working. Me and some of the younger cats and my brother's going to be here. So there's going to be 4 of us working. Tomorrow I think I'm going to take my drone up. I haven't taken my drone up in a while. You haven't seen any footage. So I'm thinking I'm going to take it to swap meet in the morning. And then fly it around over there. Right now, Dodger time. Watching the game. See, let's go Dodgers. Hopefully when I talk to you guys tomorrow, we're in the World Series. Alright guys, with that being said, you guys have a blessed night. Grind on.